Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Hey peoples! Okay, this is day 9 of 30 Days Questions. Thanks for coming back. Day 9. This is pretty funny. I told my friend that the purge bulb on my leaf blower pressurizes the gas tank, and that's what pushes the gas up to the carburetor. I think we've all heard that before. He said I'm wrong. Am I right? Okay, which guy is it? Come on, Steve.
I have actually heard that so many times. You know what? I have to say that it actually makes sense to me. I can see why somebody would say that. I got to grab a little prop for you here for show and tell. Give me a sec. I'll be right back. All right, here's a perfect example right here. This is a BG, a steel BG 55 or an SH50. It's actually an SH55. Whatever, doesn't matter. It's a little purge bulb on here on your carburetor, and when you pump that, it fills up with fuel and it purges your carburetor. So what that guy is saying right there is that it pressurizes the tank. That is absolutely incorrect. I'm sorry, buddy. He says, am I right? No, I'm sorry, you are actually wrong. It does not it sucks the fuel out of the tank, and it sucks it through the carburetor, and then in that purge bulb, it does that. It's just purging the air out of there. How I know that's 100% that you're wrong, it doesn't pressurize the tank because of this reason. You can take that fuel cap right off and punch that purge bulb. You can actually hear that. It's still working. Obviously, that fuel tank is not getting pressurized because there's not even a cap on it. So no, it's not pressurizing the tank and pushing the fuel up. It's literally sucking the fuel up into the carburetor. You can actually run this blower or anything that has a purge bulb on it. You can run it with the gas cap not even on it. It's not going to run any different. Actually, you know what? I do have a video. We have a video. It's called Hooking Your Lines Up Wrong, something like that. And I go right into depth. I have a little model made and everything on there where it takes you right into depth with how that purge bulb system, the fuel system, works with that. We'll put a link for that one right under in the description of this too, so you can go back and see that in depth. But yes, I'm sorry, buddy. You're wrong. It doesn't pressurize the tank. That's not how it works.
Yeah, your friend is right.
All right.
But great question. Thanks for sending that in.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Keep sending comments like that, man. Keep putting comments down like that. It gives us all kinds of ideas for videos. That's the number one. Okay, done. What else you got, April?
All right, day 9 is complete. That was awesome. Very informative.
Thank you.
Learning stuff.
Thank you very much.
Don't forget to turn your bell notification on so you don't miss the notification for day 10, all about fluids.
Excellent. I think we're done.
All right.
April and Steve out.